Spotify Wrapped this year, but it's definitely going to be these moments that we are seeing right now. Good evening and welcome to the Spotify Coolie fan event. It's my real pleasure and honor to host the first fan event in Mumbai. And I know there is a lot of excitement. One of the reasons for this excitement is that the album crossed 60 million streams even by now, and it's kind of hitting the charts and going everywhere. But also the other big thing is that, as Bhavna said, you guys registered so quickly that we've had this sellout event in Mumbai. So without ado, I am going to hand it over to Bhavna to kind of take you through the rest of the event. Welcome, and let's have a party together.
Thank you, Dhruvang. Thank you.
We got girls on call 24 in the 7. Got guns and coca feels better than heaven. I'm just a sweet talking.
Thank you, Nagsa. Dashing and debonair as always. Please take your seat. Next up, it's time to welcome on stage a beautiful lady. If the task was to ace it at different things and look effortless while doing it, let's just say she is the one for the assignment. Make some noise for the beautiful, the lovely Shruti Hassan. Who do you think is going to occupy that third chair? Any guesses in the house? Let me tell you, guys, he is an absolute mobster when it comes to melodies. A certified vibe master. In short, he puts the power in Powerhouse. Can we hear it for the rock star, Anirudh Ravichandran? Now, before we get started and enjoy a lovely conversation with all three of you, I request all of you to take over to get somebody to agree to play the villain in his film. What made you do it? What made you say yes?
First, let me say hi to everybody. Hi. Why did I play a villain? I was always playing playing the goodie all the time. It was getting a little boring, so I thought, let me play the baddie.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, completely. Very liberating.
But did you say okay easily, or did you make him work for it? Did you make Lokesh work for it, or did you say okay easily?
No, of course I made Lokesh work for it. I had to make sure that I was doing the right thing, playing bad. So I let Lokesh work for it.
How many meetings did it take?
Almost 7 to 8 meetings before he convinced me.
Fair enough. And we're really looking forward to seeing Nag sir play the baddie, right? I mean, we can't wait.
Well, I enjoyed it.
Shruti, I watch a lot of your interviews because I'm an absolute fan of your candor and just the way you answer everything straight from the heart. So in one of your interviews recently, you'd said that, can I just say that I'm Kamal Hassan's daughter, but now I'm a Rajni fan?
Ellarku vanakkam, sabko namaskar, hi everyone.
What was the moment? Tell me that moment you became a Talaivar fan.
See, my daddy is always my number one, whether, you know. So, I unconditionally love Appa, but I'm a Rajini fan now, so that's the balance. Rajini sir fan, sorry.
No, it's brilliant, but can you pick out that one moment where you're like, sir, I'm your fan, sir. I've become a fan.
No, I mean, his aura is only like that. The minute you encounter him for the first time, you're like, whoa, okay. This is like powerhouse, full on. But I think it was when I had like a really close up with him and I was seeing his face like up close. I was like, oh my God, that is Rajini sir.
Those eyes.
Yeah, just everything.
Fabulous. Ani, I want to just take you back in time to a few days ago. I was just watching Talevar's speech in the audio launch, and he said, Ani is the most eligible bachelor
Yes!
in the whole of Southeast Asia. I actually struck out my first question. Look, I've struck out my first question to you. I want to ask you about this. Has he mentioned anything about this to you in private? And what is your initial reaction?
The most
Good evening,
eligible
everyone.
bachelor in Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia la most eligible
Amma, that's
bachelor.
what I said, Southeast Asia.
Good evening to everybody who's come here. Thank you for coming. For all the people from there, ellarukkum vanakkam. Thank you. This feels like Chennai, so thank you. Thank you, Bhavna. Yes. No, he's never brought it up with me. I think he decided to say it on stage because he knows that I'll get awkward if he says it to me in person. But I was taken aback. You can see my expression. But yeah, but more than anything, I think it's just the love that I share for him, just like everybody over here. So we're really excited for this film. It's probably the first time we're having an event like this. So thank you, Spotify, for doing this for Coolie. And everybody knows generally when I really like a film that we are working on, I'll generally used to tweet with cups and fires. As I said in the audio launch, 10 cups and 10 fires for Kohli. I know there is a lot of expectation, too much of hype. We have never faced this in our lifetime, in our career, small career. But I'm telling you, you guys will surely enjoy this film. Kohli is going to be a blast for sure.
I'm sure that's 10 out of 10% true or 100 out of 100% true, Ani. I love how you just swerved through that question I asked, just like how you swerved through your BGM and just move beautifully from lyrics to music. Fabulous. But I still have a few more questions.
I'm learning from you.
I'll take that as a huge compliment. Nag sir, talk to us about what sort of villain will we get to see you play in the film. Are you a villain who enjoys a little bit of comedy? Are you a villain that dances a bit? Are you a straight-up baddie with a lot of gore and violence?
Well, it's a straight up baddie role. Straight up baddie. There's no reason or rhyme why I am bad. He's a kind of person, if this is his room, he does exactly what he wants. It's his kingdom. He doesn't give a damn about anybody. And that's why I enjoyed the role. There was no inhibitions, nothing to hold back. And yeah, and I had Anirudh backing me up with his music behind. Yes.
We're waiting to listen to the BGM for him, the particular song for him, right? And that's something that I think is going to blow our socks off. But having said that, talk to us about your collaboration with Ani. This is the first time you're working in a film that Anirudh has composed
Yes,
music
this
for.
is the first time I've been dying and waiting and working. And just like Lokesh and Anirudh, I think I manifested that they come, I work with them, actually. So, and that's how it was fantastic working. And just like you told me what kind of role I was playing, he made a BGM for me. It's called I'm the Danger.
That's yours. Okay, so that OST is for him. Now we've confirmed it because we were not sure who it was for. Now we've confirmed it. So the OST for I Am the Danger is for Nag sir. We've gotten our confirmation. Ani, what was your first reaction when you saw Nag sir on screen playing this very different role?
So you know, as a music director, you always want to work with all the legends. And for Nag sir, when I saw him on the screen, we were blown because just the aura that he brought to the screen, and when we saw the footage, I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy his character. The first time I met him recently, I told him, sir, we really love what you have done to this film, sir, and it's going to be really memorable for sure. And Nag sir, I always wanted to do a film for him. It just so happened that it happened in Coolie. Thanks to Lokesh. Thank you, sir, for accepting to do the film. Uh, so I think, yeah, it's a wonderful star cast with a wonderful, one of the most wanted directors in the country with Talaivar's film and his 50th year also. So this is in his 50th year for us to be part of the film which is releasing. Apparently 50 years ago on August 14th, his first film came out. So 50 years later, Coolie is coming. So for us to be part of it, we are really blessed. Of course, it also, everything is added to it with Nag sir being part of it, with Upendra sir being part of it, with Satyaraj sir, with Shruti. She's delivered a wonderful performance as well. Probably the best in her career. So we are really excited for this film. And yeah, just waiting to watch the first day for show actually.
Absolutely. So are we. Shruti, it must have been really empowering to do a role like this where you're the solo female actor amongst so many powerhouses and legends. What is the one thing that will surprise us and what can we take away from your character?
So there is a very strong feminine quotient in the film as you watch it also. It's not just me. And I really, really enjoyed that. What I loved about playing Preeti is I think not just the women, a lot of people will feel like they can relate to her. Everyone has a Preeti unke ghar mein, you know, in their life. And that is something that I really enjoyed.
Nag sir, talk to us about one day or one moment in the shoot that you will take with you throughout your life. Like this unforgettable moment. Now you can give us some Easter eggs. We're just less than 72 hours away from the release. One moment that you will tell your children about, your grandchildren about from this film.
I definitely don't want to tell my grandchildren about this role. It's too bad. It's too bad. Yeah, but yes, working with Rajni sir was fantastic. Something I will take it back home. It was just fantastic working with him. That man, at the charisma, the aura, what he creates on set, it is just outstanding. And it was very nice that he helped me with Tamil dialogues. Yeah, he helped me, and it was very nice of him. And he said, "Nag, it would be nice if you do like this," you know. So it is fantastic. This is what I'll take back home. And of course, the experience was outstanding. Though I've said this, I played the most negative role, but the experience was the most positive.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Lovely. I think that's something that we're all really looking forward to. And your camaraderie with Rajni sir is something that he also speaks about very often. So that was lovely to see. But Shruti, talk to me about just working with this set of people. I've seen in a lot of other interviews from the cast members who say that Shruti was very keen on this role and this particular experience of working with Rajni sir. Tell me why.
So never in this lifetime that I even like visualize or think, oh, I must do a film with Rajni sir. So it was never something that I even considered. So when Lokesh came to me with this, it was already a dream come true. And then as the cast kept growing and people like Nag sir and then Satyaraj sir, Shaubin sir, Amir sir, it was Upendra sir, like the list goes on and on. It's truly for me as an actor a moment where, yeah, it sounds cliche, but it really was a great learning experience, truly. As well as the fact that there was just so much good energy all around. Everyone was so diligently working on their parts and they were so passionate about it. And I think that credit goes to our director for being able to pull everything together so positively and successfully.
Beautiful. Ani, you've been speaking about Heisenberg and we've all been scratching our heads wondering who this individual is. If you had to dedicate one line that will give us a small clue as to who he is, one line from a song in Coolie to him, what would that line be? Guys, let's listen closely, okay?
See, Heisenberg was is a person which me and Lokesh will, I think we will take it to the grave, who Heisenberg is. But yeah, he's he's very talented, I must say that. He's very talented, and all the songs that he's worked on for us in our combination have worked out really well, including Mobster and I Am the Danger now for Nag sir. So, yeah, I think we should keep that a secret. No, that's only for us to know.
Okay, at least tell me what Alela Polema means. Come on.
So when I was working on the teaser, when I was just singing the lines, you know, I go a little crazy inside my studio. I'll just be blabbering and, you know, shouting and stuff like that. So when that line came, I was just like, Alela polema le. And I sent it to Lokesh, and I thought he's going to be like, what does that mean? Put some lyrics there or something. He's like, my favorite part of the teaser is Alela polema. So that is the kind of vibe that we share. So it was just a very random gibberish thought that came. That's it.
If you had to give it a meaning, let's ask all three of them. If you had to give...
Apparently in Greek it means something I saw online. In Greek it means we are ready to fight. But I didn't plan.
We're ready to fire.
Yeah, we're ready to fight. That's what it means in Greek. But I don't know Greek. And it was just very random. That's it.
It was fair. But if you had to give it a meaning, your own twist on Alela Polema, what do you think it would be?
I think Coolie's ready to fight at the box office and win.
Love it, love it. Inag sir?
Come on, let's have some fun.
Woo! Are you all ready to have fun on the 14th of August? Yes or no? Okay, this question is all for all three of you. If you could rather take something from the Coolie set, steal something from the Coolie set, what would it be and why?
I would steal Lokesh Kanakaraj.
Then I'll steal Sun Pictures.
I'll steal Spotify. No, but what I'm seriously saying in these, it's been only 13 years since and about 34 films that we've done. This is probably the best experience that we've had, and the kind of vibe and the positivity that we get from the whole team, from all the legends that are part of this film. And just this past 1.5 years have been magical. Yesterday, we finished the final mix and me and Lokesh put our usual photograph. That was in Sir's studio only, in Annapurna. So when we put that photo, it was a very emotional moment, I must admit, because it's been a wonderful journey, and I'm really not being a part of this film or the music director of this film. As a fan, I'm ready to watch this film on 14th. Yeah.
You mentioned Spotify, which is why I wanted to definitely ask you. You have the largest following on Spotify compared to your other social media accounts, which is a lot as well. 21 million and counting. Come on, guys, this deserves bigger whistles and sound.
It's all you guys. Thank you. Love you all. Thank you. It's all you guys. Thank you.
No, but how do you manage it? You have these albums coming in thick and fast. How challenging is it? And do you get any sleep at all? I'm sure a lot of them have asked you this question, but I really want to know. What does your mum say?
So, yeah, I mean, we haven't slept well in a while, but I must say that every minute that we've been working on this film has been very enjoyable, number one. Number two, the adrenaline really kept us going. It's been sleepless, I must admit, but at the same time, we enjoyed working on this product so much, on this film, scoring for this film, the background score, the OST, the songs. So we know that we can't get this time back, right, in life. So we just wanted to live it to the fullest. And we really, I think we're going to miss these times. And I hope this film does really well. And there is a Coolie 2 which happens also. So I hope this film is loved by everybody. So yeah, it's been a great experience. So the lack of sleep, we didn't even feel it even for a second. Yeah.
So you've spent sleepless nights for timeless memories. So let's make sure that those memories are certainly worth it, which we will as fans, yeah? We'll give this film a whole lot of love. Now we've got some quick games that we'd like to play with you, yeah? These are pretty rapid. So the first game is who's most likely to. Okay, so I'll ask you a few questions and you can just give me names. Who's most likely to? Likely to do A, likely to do B. So who's most likely in a set to forget their lines? If you know the answer, you can chip in, like if you've seen.
I'm only in the recording studio, not in the shooting spot.
Even amongst singers, you can tell me. Who's most likely to forget their lines? We'll just get one name and then we'll move forward.
Probably me of my own songs. I'm like the master of forgetting my own lyrics.
Most likely to pull a prank? Who's playful in a set? In the sets of Coolie.
Not me. Not me.
No, we were all very good and proper and like focused on our work.
Love
no
it.
pranks and all.
Love it. So, who is most likely to never break character?
Shruti. I
Yeah?
saw her. She never broke character. You never broke character.
Really, sir?
Yeah, I saw you. You were always.
Commitment.
எனக்கே தெரியல. Okay.
Most likely to steal a prop. No one's. Yeah? I feel you. I would do it too. Most likely to take a power nap between takes. Yeah? How long do your power naps last?
5 seconds, 10 seconds,
Wow.
5 minutes, 20 minutes.
It's probably the secret behind his youth as well. Must be one, right? Most likely to have the most. Can we have the teleprompter go up, please? Yes. Most likely to have the most dramatic playlist.
Me.
Shruti,
Yeah? Tell me why, Ani.
He knows my playlist. It's really dramatic.
How is her playlist?
like you, even in your wildest dreams, you would have never heard those songs. But she'll make sure that she only controls the music every time and she has to play the song.
And will she also juggle between genres of music?
Yeah, it'll go from heavy metal to like a Ghana song. Next song will be like that. Yeah.
I listen to music like that as well, so I can completely relate to that. But mostly positive, or do you also get melancholic with your playlist?
Depends on the state of mind.
Okay. Most likely to survive in a real life coolie job for a day. You can say no one.
I think Coolie job will be Talaivar only because he was a coolie, no, before. Yeah.
Most likely, last question in this segment, most likely to forget that they're wearing a mic and spill all the set gossip. Has it
Many
happened?
times, then my manager will be like, Mike. I'll be like, okay, leave it. Okay, they already know I don't like them.
Fabulous. Big round of applause to the three of them for being so sportive. We're just warming you up. The next one is called the Whisper Challenge. We've all seen this game being played multiple times, but we'll do this with a twist. Can we have some headphones for the three of them? I'm going to mouth the words, yeah? And these are going to be words related to the film. And I'll give you buzzers as well. So whoever knows I'll first tell you the word, okay? Because they're going to be listening to really loud music. I'm going to tell them the word and then I'll mouth it to you. If you know the word. All three of you. It's a game. We'll keep score, yes? All of us will keep score and see who is winning. Are you okay? Your mic. Say it in the mic.
I hit the buzzer. Monica Bellucci.
Next word is shipping harbor.
Shipping harbor.
Super! Well done. you can say whatever comes to mind. She heard chimpanzee, she's saying. All right. Okay. The word is Deva Mansion. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it, Shruti, go for it.
Yedo Mansion.
Correct? But what is it?
Deva Mansion.
So would you like to mouth it to them? Nag sir, would you like to mouth it to them? Just take. Okay, you'll watch the fun. Okay, next one is Chikitu Vibe. Okay, Chikitu Vibe.
Chikitu vibe.
That's unbelievable. Okay. I am the danger. Okay.
I am the danger.
This is incredible. What is this? Okay, I've got one. Shobin Shahir. And I'm going to do this with a twist, okay? Yeah, yeah. Come on.
Superstar.
Did you say that? No, no, you didn't. No, no. No, no, no.
One more time.
Shaubin Shire.
Okay, and the last one. Naksa, why don't you do this? Last one. Anything. You can pick up anything. You can do this. Do this. The whole name. Superstar Rajnikant.
Superstar Rajnikant.
Thank you. Thank you. This was incredible. First of all, big round to both of them. Very competitive. Ani, this is intense. Have you played this game before multiple times?
You know, I do this for a job, no? I wear headphones and just listening to the people who are singing, so yeah.
That's probably
No,
why.
I missed one. I didn't understand one. Which one was that?
Saubin Shahi.
Oh, Shaubin. Okay, okay.
Okay, and the last game that we're going to play is yes or no. Can we have the placards given to them, please? Can we have the placards? Yes or no placards? So I'm just going to ask you questions. You say yes or no. The last of our games. You want to keep playing more games with these guys? You want to keep playing more games? So I'll finish it off. Come on, give us some energy, yeah? All right. Okay, you've got yes and no. I've listened to a song from the Coolie album at least 50 times. Now, it doesn't apply to you. It doesn't apply to you. Which one? No. Okay. Which is the maximum number of times? Which song have you listened to maximum number of times?
I really like that Powerhouse song. I think maybe 20 times.
Yeah. Okay. And what is your favorite song, Naksa?
Monica.
Monica. Love it. Love it. Okay. I've danced to a Coolie song in my vanity van. You, of course, it's a yes. Yeah. You'll show us the placard? No? Okay, now you start.
I was very much in character.
Oh, very much in character. Yeah, we'll probably make Naksa dance a little later. I laugh in the middle of serious scenes. I laugh in between a serious scene. No, of course. No? Yes, okay. Has that gotten you in trouble, Shruti?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. I take secret selfies on set while no one's noticing.
It's not possible with this production.
Yeah?
So no.
Why not?
They were very strict.
Yeah? Keep your cell phones outside and
Yeah,
come.
yeah, yeah.
Did they have a bag or something? to
No,
keep-
no.
Okay.
But if I lifted my phone also, they'd be like, no.
Ma'am, please, no. Okay. Wow. I check my phone in between takes. When you're shooting for something or when you're recording for something. Do you check? No. No? Okay, only Shruti then. Okay. I need music to get into my acting zone. Yeah. And for you, when you compose, before you compose, or before a concert, perhaps, you need music? No. Okay. Do you need music? Yes. Anything that you listen to particularly?
Nothing particularly. Lokesh used to play music, especially when you're doing the bad things. It worked wonders.
Okay, you got into the zone. Can you tell us any of one of those songs that he played? For you to get into the bad zone? The baddie zone, rather.
It's like really random stuff he selects for the
Really
scene.
random stuff.
Okay.
One was I'm Dangerous, if I remember. Yeah,
Okay, nice, nice. Okay, and lastly, before we finish this segment, one Talaivar dialogue that you really like that comes to mind when you think of Rajni sir. We'll start off with Ani perhaps and then come to Nag sir. So we'll give him some time to think about it.
No, for me, it's the whole monologue from Annamalai, the interval, no?
Ashok!
Huh?
Ashok!
Ashok.
இந்த நாள் உன் கேலண்டர்ல குறிச்சு வச்சுக்கோ.
From Ashok to என் பேரு அண்ணாமலை இல்ல அது
Woo! What about you? Any Rajni sir?
For me, I really like personally being selfish. I love the line in the trailer that அவர் உங்களுக்கு அப்பாவா இருக்கலாம் நான் எனக்கு அவர் நண்பன்.
ஆனா அவன் என்னோட friend. Nice. Nag sir?
I like one of his lines. I don't think it's from the movies. It says Ardhamainda Raja.
Love it. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the wonderful stars of Coolie the Powerhouse. It's Incredibly nice of them to be here. Can we just request you to stand up for a group photo opportunity as well? We'll just stand here. We'll get you for a group picture. August 14th, these are the pillars of the film that have made it so magical, and we cannot wait to watch all the drama, all the action unfold on the screens. Irunga bro, irunga, paduvaru. Thank you, Shruti. Thank you, Nak sir. If you'll just kindly join us. And Ani, we'll like you to stay back, yeah? We'd like you to stay back. Ani is obviously going to be here. And we're vibing really hard, right? So it's only fair that we thought we'll let you in on the action as well. So we've randomly chosen 4 Spotify premium fans, okay? And this is definitely your moment. So here are the fans in No. Kailash Keshav, Karthik Mudaliar, Radha Krishnan, and Ajay Chettiar. You can clap for them even if it's not you. Come on, guys. Let's be sportive. Come on. I know a lot of you are feeling jealous and you have a bit of FOMO. Don't worry, we'll make it up to you. So Ani is going to teach you the hook step from Chikite. Okay? Sorry, Ani, you have to do this for us. Can we get the props, please? Yeah. Can we get the accessories? We've got a scarf for all of you. He's going to teach you the hook step of Chikite, and we'll see how well all of you dance. Will you spread out a little bit and move back 2 steps back? Ani, will you come in the center, perhaps? Just switch? Yeah, perfect. All right. Guys, some whistles in the house, come on, for all of them. Let's see who does these steps perfectly. Can we have the music? Go.
Better than me, you do it, bro. Okay.
Come on. Chikite vibe la poidalama. Namak suit avulala. All right, okay. And for all you other Spotify
फिरंगी अदा जी चढ़ती जवानी तो सुनामी है हुस्न की मनिका बेलूची है देसी एनर्जी आंख में चढ़ा देखो हुरों वाला नशा जी बदन ज्वाला जल चिंगारी जलना सीख इस प्यार में चूल्हे लब से जो जले बिगड़ी सॉल्ट हो जाता मीठा सरे
अरे उड़ा दो बस.
ओ मैं शामें करूँ जवां उंगली पे मेरी यहाँ थिरके ये थथैया खुरपाती तभी यहाँ किसको दूं तो ही बता दिल का ये रुपैया थाम ले अब कर ले शुरुआत तू गवा मत पर जो हमें है मिला अब दूर हो मत कर ले हरकत सुलमी छोड़ सब डिसेंसी तो ना दिखा मिलना शर्मा के रस में पुरानी कर ले गुस्ताखी खुल के जरा दुनिया भी तो है बदनाम सारी हो जा तू मस्त मौका मिला
आओ उड़ाओ उड़ाओ. Oh, Monica.
Thank you so much.
Cafe, hold your hands up. Okay, everybody sing with me now. Let's go. He got the love of a sunflower star. He got the smile. Everybody here say, say. I ain't a falling off, I ain't a falling off. I ain't a falling off, I ain't a falling off. Cool, body. The whole party. Hey, you can cool, move your body. Ladies and gentlemen, fucking Dudley. Sorry, one last time. Stay. Hey. Okay, guys. I think it'll be. I think it'll be incomplete. I want to do Powerhouse. Shall we do Powerhouse? What? Wait. I think. Can I do it in Tamil if you don't mind? Okay. Okay. Let's go. This feels like we are in Chennai. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the love. Thank you, Spotify, of course. I'm sure you guys are already doing it, but the album is out on Spotify. Please go and stream it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to everybody who came here today. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the rock star, the one, the only, Anirudh. Let's make some noise for him. Ani, we'll have to get you back on a multi-star picture. Can we also get Sublashni to join us on stage? A moment that we'd like to freeze. Okay, he's gonna do it because you're asking. Such a spot. Go for it, Ani.
Okay. You want one more? Okay. Let's show everyone how loud we can be. So shall we do it only you guys and me, no music? Shall we do that? Okay, sing with me, okay? 3, 2, 1. அலப்பற கிளப்புறோம் தா பாருடா கலவரம் இறங்குனா தடாருடா நிலவரம் புரியுதா உக்காருடா பொறமுறை உடச்சிட செட்டானவன் கலவரம் கவடிச்சிட ஹிட்டானவன் முடிவில் ஜெயிச்சிட உரித்தானவன் நடக்கிற நட முடி ஒதுக்குனா கனவுல இது. Okay, let's make this. Let's do this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Say, wo alimba paathavan, ungoppa visila kettavan, wo mavanu perano, attam poda veppavan ivan. Kutti chavutha etti paatha. Thank you guys. Love you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ani. I know that was completely out of syllabus, but it was so sweet for you to sing a song of their request. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for our very own rock star, Anirudh. Thank you, Ani. And Mumbai, you have been unreal this evening, from fans to legends, from music to madness and not.
Let's mark. Mark, on mark. यहीं पे बस नहीं होल्ड सामने वेट सेंटर वेट रे इधर आता तो बैकग्राउंड राइट में श्रुति मैम। यहाँ पास यही वेरी गुड, एक नंबर।
नहीं इधर सेंटर।
यहीं पे सेंटर में, यहाँ श्रुति मैम सेंटर। क्या नाम है? अनिरुद्ध।
नागा सर।
अनिरुद्ध सोलो यहाँ पे सेंटर में।
गाँव का बच्चा।
सर मार्क और मार्क। सर बस नहीं करिए बात ना। भाई ट्राइपॉड हिल रहा है, तुम आ रहे हो?
सर
सर
ओके बैकअप। नेक्स्ट मार्क
सर।
लाइट नहीं है भाई, मार्क लगा तो लाइट ही नहीं है। अच्छा सर यहीं से जाना है, यहाँ से जाना है।